Hi everyone, it's Doodle Sparkle Cleaning here again, and now today we're going to do some hoovering, vacuuming the carpet. Hopefully we'll be able to pick up all the bits that are on the floor and give it a nice good hoover. And today I'm using the Shark lift away, so let's see how that goes. An amazing job at carpet lines. I really love it. As you can see on the carpet, it's just done a really fantastic job. And as you can see, the carpet lines there. This is the complete seal one, Azula I think, and it does a really good job. It's got a front light. It helps you see any dust particles or bits that you've missed. You can see it's got a lot of dog hair up from the carpet, so I'm really pleased with this. It really does a really good job. As you can see, it's my favourite because it just cleans really well. So I'll give it a good hoover down the end there.